Quick teaser video here for you today of the world's sharpest coarse grit edge, whittling a single strand of hair. This hair is about 25 microns across, and this edge is what I would call a very coarse grit edge. It sharpens on 2 grits total, not counting the initial profiling super coarse grit. And this thing will absolutely pop and whittle so easily. I actually had a hard time getting this on camera because the second the hair would touch the blade, it would slice right through it. So stay tuned for an upcoming video showing more things being cut up close, more hairs being whittled, and exactly how I sharpened this knife. Thanks for watching.